Hi, Oregon City. I'm Ben Cates, the principal at Tumwata Middle School, and this is your Hot Minute. We're so excited because tonight we have our open house. We're open for about an hour and a half for families to come with their kids, see the school, meet the staff. They get to see all the classrooms the students are going to. For some of our 6th grade families, this will be their first time in the building, maybe their second time if they came to the 5th grade open house last year. For our 7th and 8th grade families, this might be the first time they've been in the building this year. So we're excited to throw open the doors, have everybody meet each other, answer any questions that people have. And we hope we see so many families tonight. We're really excited.